That's Charity Princess. And we're gonna be doing a princess makeup video on a princess.
So how are you gonna start?
So first we're gonna start with the lightest color. This. And this color. My auntie Coco gave it to me.
Which brush are we gonna use?
We're going to be using this brush because it's easy.
Where are you putting it?
I'm putting it above
On the brow bone?
above the brow bone,
Above the eyeball, on the brow bone.
above the eyeball on the brow bone. And then we're going to be using this color and still this brush.
Where are you putting it?
And put it on the
Island.
island.
That's a pretty color.
Mhm. And now we're going to be using a prettiest yellow gold color bat
Fluffy brush.
with a fluffy brush. That's right.
It goes in the crease.
And it's going to be going in the crease. Then for the last one, we're going to be using Spring Mist, which is one of my eyeshadows, with an angled brush in the corner, the outer corner. But I'm also going to put it on the inner corner, because I always make the mistake of doing that. Now we're going to be moving on to the cheeks. So for first, that and that. We're going to be using this brush
For bronzer?
for this bronzer.
How should we do her cheeks?
What? It's a very pretty. I finished applying the bronzer and I blended it with this brush. Now we're moving on to the cheeks. This is very bright. Don't put too much, like I do sometimes. I added a little too much.
You want to blend it out?
And so I'm going to blend it out to see if I can get rid of some. I hope I can. A little pink. So it's not too pink. Now we're going on to the highlighter. This is very liquidy. Whoops. It's a little bit shiny too. When's it going to come off? Oh. I like to add a little other places. So I don't know what brush to use. Now we're going to be moving on to the lipstick.
What color did we choose?
I chose this pretty bright red. Rimmel. It has a crown on it. I'm going to be adding some shimmer, and I already finished the pretty lipstick. I'm going to be adding this because the other one's not shimmer.
Shall we do a close-up?
A what?
A close-up? Is this your finished makeup look? Close-up of the princess makeup look.
If you like this channel, please subscribe.
And click like.
And click like.
And leave a comment.
And leave a comment down below. Bye. Well, not fully bye.